User interface replacement. Before starting work on the quantum heater, it is important to safely isolate the product from both electrical supplies, the peak supply and the off-peak supply. Equipment must be safely isolated. Follow G38 isolation techniques. Ensure all 12 steps are adhered to and the equipment is safe to work on. Only trained and competent persons are allowed to work on Dimplex heating and ventilation products. Dangerous voltages and switch neutrals can be found in many products. This is outside the scope of the fixed wiring systems. By the end of this short video, you will know how to remove and replace the quantum heater's user interface, the UI. Care cover. It is only necessary to remove the front grille and right-hand side panel. For clarity, all of the heater panels have been removed. Open the UI cover flap. Use suitable tools such as a screwdriver. Insert it into the slot at the right-hand side. Press the black plastic clip holding the UI in place. The UI will pop out of its enclosure. Lift the UI from the enclosure. Free the communications cable from below if necessary, and unplug the communication cable from the UI. Replace the damaged UI. Plug the communication cable into the replacement UI and route the cable carefully inside the heater. Insert the back edge into the enclosure and lower the UI back into position. Click the UI into place. Carefully replace all of the covers. Check the UI works. Thank you.